Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to remove your background from your image or picture without using Photoshop or CorelDRAW. I'll be teaching you how to use this tool with Windows 10. Okay, so follow me, let's go. So as you can see on the screen here, can you see on the screen here, I have two images here right on my screen. So I have this image. Let me click on it. I have this image. Okay, I close. I also have this image. Can you see? Okay, I also have this image. All right, so I close. Okay, let me say I'll be making use of this one here, this one with blue background. Okay, so I click on it. All right, so what we can do, the very first step we can do is you come to edit. Okay, you come to edit, you click on edit. All right, so what you do next is can you see this is background. So when you click on this, it will now find the background and do what, and pop it out for you. Now can you see this stripe now moving, this blue stripe moving? So now read what it says here. It says success, we found the background of your image and selected it for you. Can you see it? So now once you see this, what you will do is you come to this part. Can you see this part? This remove. So when I hit remove now, this background will just go out. So I click on what? Remove. Okay, so I click on remove. Okay, can you see it? So it has taken out the background. All right, so let's assume that I want to use another color for the background. Okay, let's assume I want to use red. So you just come here like this here, then click on it, click. So I'll select the color I want. So what you can do is just move this slider like this, move it and select the color that you want to. I thought using red for now. So I select red. Can you see? This is dark. This is, so let me just choose the normal red. So this is red. Alright, so I leave it there. Can you see? Can you see it? So what I can do next is just to save it. So I'll come to, can you see, save options. So I click on this drop down menu, okay, and select save as what? Save as copy. Okay, then I click save as copy. All right, so it's asking me where am I saving this. I'm saving it on what? On the desktop for now, for you to see. All right, so let me name this one as BWSSSHH, then hyphen, let me write red. Can you see? Right, then save. It's on desktop. Can you see? This is desktop. So I click on what? Save. That's it, it's saved. So now let me close. I close it. Now this is it here. Can you see it? Now let me drag it and put by the side. Now this is the original one here. Blue. Can you see? Now this is the one I just edited just now. This is it. Perfect. Isn't this wonderful? So Windows 10 is a very good window. So guys, you now know how to change your background using what? Using Windows 10. This is JT Igwe, the guru himself. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you and goodbye for now.
you.